right across from me. Hey, what are you doing with my BioShock, silly? Hey, look. Happy birthday to you. It's your cake and you're gonna get gooey and stuff. Now, you know you gotta stand up and do it, right? Hold your hair back. Need a headband? How about that one?
This one might get a bit cake on.
That's fun if it does. Push it up a little more. Think you're ready for it?
Uh-huh.
Go have at it, man. Oh, that wasn't... Wait, do it again.
Okay.
You didn't do it right. Nah. Hey, JC, now you got... Look, now you got to lick your sister's face, okay? You got to go lick all the icing off her face.
No.